Today we have the 2020 Mini Hatch. This vehicle has done just under 24,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Just above is our heads-up display, and on our screen we can access media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between sport, mid and green, as well as green plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.